Hi everyone, a big warm welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you're good. So today I am cracking on with another haul. Got so many amazing styles to show you, so hopefully lots of inspiration in this video, so let's get into it. So this is one of my favorite looks ever. These are the linen pants that I was going crazy for. Love, love, love this. This is an £8 top from H&M. Really handy, so pick it up. It has a popper further up, so if you wanted to be a little bit more covered up, you can pop it. So yeah, this is just such a simple laid back look. I love this for the environment we're in at the moment, something a lot more casual but still put together. So here is the most gorgeous white dress. I love the huge sleeves on it, so it's really flattering on the sleeve line. Draws you in at the waist, got this gorgeous detailing into a beautiful white. It's just stunning. I love dresses like this. Broderie on glace is such a gorgeous pattern or material for summer. If you're looking for a really beautiful summer day dress, this is definitely perfect for it. I envision this going to a baby shower or a birthday party in a garden. This is one of those great dresses for that occasion. So these are a pair of black flared jeans. I think I mentioned them previously, but I wanted to give them a big shout out because I love them at the moment. I've just popped it on with a padded shoulder shirt, a black one. This one's from Nasty Girl, I think, but I love how you draw in the waist and you've got the flare at the bottom and then the padded shoulder. It creates a really nice silhouette. So this is a look that I'd wear every day at the moment, or when I'm out and about in London. Just a really simple outfit. I've also paired them with my go-to black sliders of the moment. They're from River Island. I'm gonna reach and get them for you because I'm obsessed. I love them. So this is one of the most beautiful skirts I've seen at the moment. It is so gorgeous. It's a circular skirt, I think they call them, so it has so much fabric, so you can waft it around as much as you want, but it just falls so nicely. It's quite a gorgeous material, so it falls really lovely. The pattern is just so stunning, this white and this red. You could even put like a pop of red lipstick or red nails and I think it would really bring it out. So if you're looking for a gorgeous skirt, you could pair this with a blouse, you could pair it with a white top like I've done. Just super gorgeous skirt. I thought this look in particular was such a gorgeous going out outfit. If you wanted something so summery, so stunning, this is definitely a gorgeous skirt to get. So let's talk bikinis. I'm not usually one that gets the bikini bod out on the channel, but I thought it's super useful to see bikinis on because they're so hard to get a vibe off the internet. So I did this for you guys. This is from River Island and I love a high-waisted bikini or a swimsuit. I'm not really a stomach out kind of girl. I don't know, I just think stomachs are really tacky. Is that bizarre? I think it's a lot more sophisticated with a covered up swimsuit. So I always opt for high-waisted bikinis if I'm going to do a two-piece, and I loved the puff sleeves on this. I thought it was fun, I thought it was covered up. Burner, I'm a burner, so I need to think about these things. And just a gorgeous, gorgeous silhouette. I really love the little bow detailing around the waist as well. I thought it was super flattering. Has kind of a bit, not too much, but it has like a kind of push-up effect to it, which is great. We all love that. So two things here. This is one of those tees with the padded shoulders. I got it in white. It's from Zara, and I love these because they make your waist look so much slimmer because of the difference. So if you're looking for a basic tee and want a little bit of a fashion edge to it, definitely these t-shirts. I whacked on this little scarf with it, and I love picking up scarves like this because you can do so much with them. I love popping them on handbags. You'll see I always have a scarf on a handbag. It's a little trick of mine, and you can put it around your neck and you could put it in your hair. So I just love these kind of scarves. So these are some crop jeans that I picked up from River Island. They are called Blair. I just like trying out different styles of jeans at the moment. These are a little bit more cropped and I liked the laid back kind of vibe to them. So let's talk blazers, suits. So this is such a gorgeous suit for summer. The colour sage green was such a big trend on the catwalks, and it's having a moment. We're having a sage green moment. So I thought I'd show you a couple of ways on how I would style up a sage green blazer suit so you can get loads of different outfits out of it. So here I've just paired it with denim jeans, put a rope belt around it, some wedges, and you've got kind of this in between laid back but quite put together look. So this is something a lot more casual, and I'm actually going to give a shout out to this blouse here. It's like an open v-neck, a really gorgeous simple blouse to pair with those suit pants that you have for work, and you could literally get them out your wardrobe, pop them with this top, and you've got a more casual look. So this top I think is great for wearing underneath a blazer. It's great for wearing it just on its own. It's a really great basic to have, and I love the little tight detailing popping it out of a blazer. That would be beautiful for workwear. So I paired it with flats here to show you how you could take your suit pants that you wear for work maybe, or on a more smart casual occasion, and make it casual with a pair of flats. So here I've popped it on with a white body from Zara. Little shout out to the body, all about those bodies because they don't ride up, they're really handy. So definitely stock up on bodies because I think they just are such a great undergarment. So I've got a white body from Zara underneath this, white stilettos, and this is such a striking look. The sunglasses as well from H&M, love a pair of white sunglasses, and I thought this was a great come back to the office look if anyone's going back to the office anytime soon, or just a gorgeous summer power outfit. So here is a gorgeous, I've got hair sticking out, haven't I? What's this doing? Has that been like that the whole time? Damn it. Oh dear. What's it doing? So lastly, I just have some accessories, and I thought you'd love these. I picked up. How beautiful are these shoes? So they've got like the espadrille bottom and then this gorgeous kind of pattern. They have this kind of chiffon fabric to lace up your leg, which I've not seen before. That was a beautiful shoe. So next I have the most gorgeous pair of heels. I'm really into a small heel. I think they look a lot more high-end, a lot more not try-hard, so I'm opting for a small heel these days. Who knew? Has this kind of square end to it, which I love. I think it's all on fashion at the moment, but if you're looking for a gorgeous everyday shoe, then definitely try these. I think they had them in different colors as well. I've wanted a white pair of sunglasses for ages. I think they look really, really cool. I think it has to be with a certain outfit, but with like a very sport looks kind of outfit, I thought these were very striking, so I thought I'd show you. You'd probably see me wearing these in a lot of the videos. So guys, that is everything. I hope you liked this haul. Do let me know what types of videos you'd like to see on this channel. I'd love to know what you think. Also, if you shop anything, let me know. I'd love to know what you guys like the best. Let me know in the comments below. Also, my Instagram is @DelauraBlair. Come say hey over on there, and I will see you very, very soon for another video. Bye. If you want to catch up on some more videos this week, I have 2 hauls for you right here, so go check them out.